Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. My name's Ryan. Today we're going to do a test with my CZ 457 with the IBI barrel. We're shooting Pistol Match Special by SK. Let's see how this stuff does. The Pistol Match did alright. Let's see what the Special does. I'm going to start out with 10 foulers, and then we're going to do 4 5-shot groups, and the last group, the 5th group, it's going to be a 10-shot group. All the data is going to be recorded on the magnetospeed chronograph, and I'll display that at the end of the video. Let's get to shooting. Here we go again. Hope we're not doing this the whole video. It's too hot out here, sitting in the sun to do this all day. Not looking good. Not very fun when it doesn't eject. Alright. That's our 10 fouling shots. Let's do the first 5-shot group now. I don't know what happened there. It's going to take forever if we're doing it like this. So I might have to fast forward just between shots. This is ridiculous. That group didn't look too bad, but this is getting super annoying. Group number 2. Well, this stuff is shooting really well. It just won't extract, and it's really driving me nuts. I never noticed before, but one of the extractors is sharp and the other side looks like it's kind of like rounded off. I don't know if that's stock like that. I'll put a picture up just so you can see that. But I don't know. This is super frustrating that it won't eject. I want to extract my bullets here. The empty shells. Alright, group number 3. Might as well just be single feeding these. This is frickin' brutal. And of course, it did not extract. Group number 4, getting kind of annoyed now. Honestly, this is terrible. Of course. I'm gonna have to run a bore snake down this thing or something. I don't know what's going on, but this is taking forever and it's driving me crazy. Okay, so I ran a bore snake down the barrel. I don't know what's going on, but just being able to only cycle one at a time is getting super annoying. And to the point where I don't even want to shoot anymore of this stuff. So let's see if we can get through 10 more shots to finish off this test and go from there. I'm probably gonna get stung now too.
Everyone.
This is bullshit. Well, thank God that's over. I've had enough with this. I'm never shooting this stuff again. I have to look into this barrel. I don't know what's going on, but The best ammo is the SK and the Pua, and it just seems to not be able to extract. Maybe it's my extractor wore out. I have no idea, but this rifle doesn't have that many rounds through it. This barrel has maybe close to 700 now, but not being able to shoot a full mag or even a 5-shot mag without having brass get stuck in the chamber, absolutely brutal. So anyways, I'll put this data up now. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.